Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the second Sudoku in this edition of today's newspaper on Saturday. Yes, it's Saturday, October the 9th, 2021. I've already solved one puzzle. It says Sudoku with 3 stars. Now it's time for the binary puzzle because I do 3 puzzles today. The Sudoku with 3 stars, the binary, and a tectonic with 4 stars. But this one, I will continue with this one, and this will be number 3514. Yes. Before I start, I always count the boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. So let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Now we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Then between 2 ones comes an O. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Now we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Here we have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Then 1, 2, 3, 3 O's. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 ones in this row. In this row. 3 ones in a row in this row. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this cannot be a no. This should be a 1. Double one, here no, there no. We have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 3 O's. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 ones in a row in this row. Again, not allowed, one of the rules, so this cannot be an O. This should be a 1. Double one, here no, there no. Okay. If I place number 4, the 4th O here, 1, 2, 3, 4 here, we still have 3 ones in a row. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this cannot be an O. This should be a 1. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. And 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Without comparing, completed in 3 minutes. Alright, great binary. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it myself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the 3rd and last puzzle for today. It will be a tectonic with 4 stars. Until then, bye bye for now.